Welcome again to my YouTube channel and again to another kitchen application that is also a vegetable cutter and with another direction and another style. That is I am going to show you and how it is. Let's start without delaying anymore. Again I am going to unpack the packet with my pair of scissors like the previous, and I am scissoring this from this side here, and I am scissoring it and I am opening the packet. For its big size it is not seen totally. See, it is from Ganesh, and here are 14 styles here. See all the plates here and all the peripherals here. 14 in 1 quick disarray here. It is a quick disarray and it is ISO certified company, as it is said, from Ganesh vegetable disarray, and it indents and all it is. See the price tag here, and for special offer you can get some contributions in your price here also. And now I am opening the main packet. See the thing here, it's a handle, quite handy handle, quite handy plastic, and that desserts are here. This is for slicing, small slicing, and that I'm going to show you this each. And this is the main packet and everything here in it. And here this is for cucumber often like this, and here the potato I am moving from here like this. It's back side, from its back side like this. You can see this is, and here is the main packet. I am scissoring it also to get the main dicer out. Here are very much dicer and very much styles here. You can see all of them, and see this is one style, and then another, then another, and then another, and then another. All is here, and the main dicer is here, and I'll show you how it is. From here it will be stuck, and here, and it should be stuck here, and like this. This is the dicer, and the dicer is to stuck here like this, and here press, and this like this again. See, press again, and see the size like this. This is the dicer. Here is the dicer also, as I have shown you. This is also here, and this is also here. It is for moving. It is also here, and see one by one. It is on this side here, and it is for slicing thinly. And how to stack here, I'm going to show you, and see like this stacked, and you have to turn this. This is like this, and here. See this is. So my friend, this is, and here